Welcome students. This is first module of chapter number 11, Problems on Measurement. In this module, we will be learning addition problems on measurement. Also, we will solve subtraction problems on measurement and will solve some mixed word problems on measurement in this module. We use the units meter, gram and liter every day to measure length, mass and capacity respectively. While shopping, we use the units rupees and paise. We use units like days, hours and minutes to measure time. Let us see how to carry out basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division using these units of measurements. So let us solve addition problems on measurements from problem set 46. So here is first example. As you can see here, we have to add 9 rupees and 50 paise and 14 rupees and 60 paise. So we make two columns, one for rupees and one for paise, and we'll arrange the given quantities under proper column. So we write 9 in rupees column and 50 in paises column. Also we write 14 in rupees column and 60 in paises column. So let us add. We can do this addition like normally we do with the whole numbers. So we do 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. So 1 we write in the paises column and 1 is carried over to the rupees column. So here we get 9 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 14. 4 we write here and 1 is carry over. So 1 plus 1 we get 2 and thus we get this answer of this addition is 24 rupees and 10 paise. Similarly, some other examples are shown for your better understanding. Now, let's do one subtraction problem. Here we have 40 kilometers to 55 meters minus 17 kilometers 960 meters. So first, let us arrange the given numbers as per the proper column. So here we need to make two columns, kilometer and meter, and under this column we'll write the given numbers as per their places. Now let us do the subtraction. As you can see here in the meters column, we have to subtract 960 meters from 250 meters. As 960 is bigger than 255, we cannot subtract. So we borrow 1 kilometer from this 40 kilometers. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So we write here 1000 meters. Now here we have 255 meters. So let us add these to this borrowed 1000 meters. Hence we get 1255 meters in the meters column. So we cut 255 and we write 1255 meters in the meters column. As we have borrowed 1 kilometer from this 40, it remains 39 here. So now after subtraction, we get the answer as 22 kilometers and 295 meters. Let's do one more subtraction problem. Here we have 35 kg 150 grams minus 26 kilograms 470 grams. So first let us arrange these given numbers in proper column. So we make two columns, kilograms and grams, and we write 35 under kilograms, 150 in the column of grams. Also, we write 26 in the column of kilogram and 470 in the column of grams, and we do the subtraction now. Now here as you can see in the grams column, we have to subtract 470 from 150. 470 is bigger than 150, so we will borrow 1 kilogram from kilograms column. We know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So we have borrowed 1000 grams from 35 kilogram. And we have here 150, so we will add this to this 1000 grams and we get 1150 grams in the grams column. So we cut this 150 and we write there 1150. As we borrowed 1 kilogram from this 35, here it remains 34 kilograms now. Then we do the subtraction and after subtraction we get the answer 8 kilograms 680 grams. Here some more subtraction sums are given for your practice. Let us solve problem set 47. First question is, for his birthday, Ajay gave 20 liter 450 milliliters of milk to the children in an ashram shala and 28 liter 800 milliliter to the children in an orphanage. How much milk did Ajay donate? So here we know that 20 liter and 450 milliliter of milk Ajay is donated to the children in ashram shala and 28 liter 800 milliliter he had donated to the children in an orphanage. So to find out the total amount of milk Ajay donated, we need to add these two amount of milk. So we write 20 liters and 450 meter is the milk which is donated to the ashram shala, and 28 liter and 800 milliliter is the milk which is donated to the children in orphanage. So after adding these two, we get the Ajay donated 49 liter and 250 milliliter milk in all. Next question is, under the Rural Cleanliness Mission, college students cleaned 1 kilometer 750 meter of a village road, that is 2 kilometer 575 meter long. How much remained to be cleaned? So here we have total length of the road is 2 kilometers and 575 meters. Road cleaned by student is 1 kilometer and 750 meters. So to know the road remained to be cleaned, we have to subtract the road clean from the total length of the road. As so here in the meter columns, we need to subtract 750 from 575. As 750 is bigger number than 575, we borrow 1 kilometer from the kilometers column, and we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So we write 1000 meters plus here we have 570 meters. So after adding, we have total meters in the column of meter is 1575, and as we have borrowed 1 kilometer from these 2 kilometer, here it remains 1 kilometer. So let's do the subtraction, and after subtraction we get that 825 meters road is remained to be clean. Next question is, Babulgaon used 21,250 liters of treated wastewater in the fields. Samvatsar used 31,350 liters of similar water. How much treated wastewater was used in all? So here we know that 21,250 liters of treated wastewater is used by Babulgaon, and 31,350 liters of the similar water is used by Samvastar, and we have to find out the total treated wastewater used in all. So to get that, let us add these two numbers. So after addition, we get 52,600 liters of wastewater is used in all. Next question is, if half a liter of milk costs 22 rupees, how much will 7 liters cost? So we know that here the cost of half liter of milk is given as 22 rupees. If the half liter milk cost 22 rupees, the cost of 1 liter of milk will be 22 into 2, which is equal to 44 rupees. And hence, cost of 7 liter milk will be 44 into 7. So let us do this easy multiplication, and after doing this multiplication we get that the 7 liter milk cost 308 rupees. Next question is, if the speed of a motorcycle is 40 km per hour, how far will it travel in an hour and a quarter? So we know that the speed of a motorcycle per hour is equal to 40 kilometers. So let us find out its how far it will travel in an hour and a quarter. So for hour we write 1, and for quarter, as you all know, we write 1 upon 4. So for 1 hour it is traveling 40 kilometers. So to find out how much it will travel in a quarter of an hour, we write 1 upon 4 into 40. So we go to the next step. 40 plus 1 upon 4 into 40 will be 40 upon 4. Next step will be 40 plus 40 divided by 4 is 10. So let us add these two numbers. So we get 50 kilometer. So we write the final statement as motorcycle will travel 50 kilometer in an hour and a quarter. Thank you.